So how do you use the background in a Google Meet app on an iPhone? Let's explain that. If it's your first time on Foxtecc, stay tuned so you never miss anything important. Now, when you're inside like a Meet call, you can see we have a couple of different settings and things to change the background as well. So you can tap on your like viewfinder right in the bottom right. So you select it like this, then it will make it go to the full screen or whatever, right, where you get to manage some different effects and options. And one of them is we have the backgrounds, filters, and appearance. So obviously go to the backgrounds and you have some blurring options. That's one thing, regular and more enhanced blur. Then you have like the 360 backgrounds, which might be looking pretty cool as well. And also we have some professional and like different styles of prepared or default backgrounds, but you also have the ability to click on the plus button right next to the blurring options and import your photos from the gallery. That is if you want to use a custom background and not any of those which are like default in here. So that's how you can just change it. It's gonna work out well. Obviously you can switch back and forth, so there are plenty of ways how you can utilize the backgrounds. Let me know if you managed to get the most out of the app that way. In case of any questions, leave them below in the comments. Most definitely subscribe so you don't miss videos and explanations like this one, and I'll talk to you later.